I'm ready now. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Natalie. Today we are doing a get ready with me. This is not a professional makeup tutorial because in no way, shape, or form am I MUA. I actually don't know how to do makeup at all. This is just my kind of like go-to makeup. I'm just gonna be sitting here talking to you guys, just kind of, you know, having some fun while I do my makeup. You guys might be able to hear like my music playing. I'm just gonna play music so I'm not as lonely and shit, and I'm waiting for my other YouTube video to upload right now. You guys are about to watch me struggle on my makeup. So let's get started. All I want to say is that today I have been clumsy. Like, I've been dropping everything. It's just been bad. I don't know why, it just has. I always start out my makeup with my eyebrows first because it takes the longest and I mess up a lot. And I am using the Anastasia brow pomade in dark brown. I actually shattered this right here. This is the thing I was talking about that I shattered. It's not gonna focus. Like, I dropped this and it just completely shattered. Like, I don't know what to do with this now. Like, it's upsetting. Anastasia brow pomade, dark brown. Usually what I do is I just outline the shape of my eyebrow because I have like good shaped eyebrows anyways. But the only problem with my eyebrows is that they are not similar in any shape, way, or form. Like, they look completely different and it kind of looks wonky. But you know, your eyebrows aren't twins. And I am using the angled brush from Anastasia also. Just so y'all know what's going on. So something really depressing is I came home with KFC after like a Postmates order. Just in case if you guys didn't know, I started Postmates and it's actually really fun and it's definitely worth it. But like, I was doing a Postmates order and they canceled their order, so I brought home KFC. And literally once I got home and I was grabbing the bag out, it ripped and the gravy from the mashed potatoes dropped out. The only thing that dropped from that bag, that dropped onto the floor, was the gravy. Out of all the things, like it could have been the coleslaw, it could have been the mac and cheese. No, the fucking liquid gravy dropped and spilled everywhere. Like, just my luck, right? And 5 minutes later, I dropped my fucking brow pomade and it shatters. Like, I'm having a great day right now. I kind of finished this eyebrow. Afterwards, I usually go in with concealer and just like conceal the bottom and the top of my eye. I'm gonna do this eyebrow off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys a little part of how I did my concealer, and we'll move on. Okay, I'm back. I finished both my eyebrows off camera. It probably looks really bad on camera. Okay, this is what I'm saying when my eyebrows aren't exactly the same. Like, this one's always arched higher than this one. That's just how my natural eyebrows are. And whenever I try to draw it, I try to make it like as similar as possible. It's just so hard. And like, the problem is they both start at the same point, but then this one looks like it's like angled like 45 and this one just looks like it's straight, which bothers me so much. I'm just gonna like angle my face towards one side so you guys can't see the other side, just so like it doesn't bother you. Okay, so I use this like angled brush to conceal my eyebrows a little bit, just to make it look sharper. And I use the Mask Conceal from Maybelline. Looks like this. It's not gonna focus because it's not on autofocus, but yeah. And I just put that on the back of my hand and just use my brush to like kind of put it on. And yeah. Now we go into foundation. Yeah, I put this on the back of my hand too, but I use the Dewy and Smooth Normal to Dry Fit Me foundation by Maybelline also. And it's the 210 Sandy Beige. So I have a little bit of concealer left for my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna take that and dab it under my eye. I don't wear a lot of concealer just because foundation kind of does it for me. And then I kind of just go back on my eyebrows a little bit, kind of define them a little bit more just to make sure like none of the lines got like smudged when I was doing my foundation. Kind of just re-outline like the front a little bit. Okay. Now, what I like to do is obviously I go in with my Airspun translucent powder. After my foundation, I put glue on my lashes. Put it on both my lashes and just kind of let it sit there and dry. By the way, I use the Blue Box Vegas nails. These have changed my life. I'm just saying, they're like my go-to lashes all the time. I put my eyelash glue on that, and I do use the black Duo lash glue. So while I'm letting that dry, I grab my ghetto makeup brush with no actual stick or whatever to it. This is my contour brush, and I have the NYX highlight and contour palette. I just take the two lightest shade right here, this one and this one, onto my face. God, I'm getting really bad light right now. Wow, are you serious? This contour looks really bad. I'll fix it though, I swear to God I will fix it. And then I take my beauty blender and my translucent powder and just put it under my contour, above my jawline. And then I put it in the corner of my mouth so it doesn't really crease my foundation. And then I'm gonna put this above, under my eye, to bake under my eye for a little bit. Put a little bit in the middle of my forehead. And then I wipe off the stuff on my forehead just because I have a really dry forehead. I don't want to bake my face right there because then it'll just make my face look a lot more dry. Grab my lashes. And the glue's usually dry by now. Sometimes it over dries a little bit, and all you have to, like, certain parts will like dry too much, and you just grab your glue again and kind of just place glue over again. Something wonky is going on with this lash right now, I don't know why. There you go, lash secured. Move on. I usually take my bake off right about now. And I just kind of, this is where I kind of blend in my contour also. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up a little bit just because my camera is running out of batteries. It's blinking, I'm scared right now. I don't want it to die. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hill Glow Kit. Just taking two of the colors and just kind of wiping it on my face. Nothing really fancy right now. Sometimes I contour my nose on the sides right here. Not gonna do that here because camera's about to die. Setting spray all over the face. I use the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. Just kind of let it dry a little bit, and then this is where I go in with my highlight again. And then I take this Mary Kay dark red kind of color and the Kylie matte liquid lipstick. I don't know what color this is. It was in her like Sun Nudes collection. And I put a little bit on my palm of my hands, both of them. I don't usually wear lipstick because I don't think it looks good on me, but like I use these two colors and I mix it on the palm of my hands, and it kind of looks like this, like ruby kind of color. Not really ruby, like maroonish, burgundy. And I just kind of put it over my lips just to give my lips a little bit more color, since my lips are like a nude color. So sometimes when I take pictures or like just in general, sometimes it just looks like I don't have lips. That's about it, I think. Yeah, I think I did everything. Go back with your setting spray. And sometimes I take this smoked Urban Decay palette. I use the black color over here, this blackout brush, and I go in under my waterline where my lashes are connected, and I just underline that part just so it blends together and you can't see like where I place my lashes. So like kind of like as an eyeliner. Okay, that's it. This is my completed makeup. When I do makeup, this is what I do all the time. And yeah. So I'm gonna end the video right now before my camera dies. And oh my god, this lighting has been so bad. I'm sorry for the quality of this video. It's just for fun. So that is it for my completed makeup, get ready with me kind of thing. This is how I do my makeup every single time. Like I do go out when I do my makeup, eyebrows, eyelashes, foundation, all that good jazz. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the content of this video, and I'm sorry for like quality of this video. I'm trying my best right now. I did have fun filming this, and that's what counts. So if you guys did enjoy, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe every single time. I love saying that. It's my favorite part. I love it so much. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!